NAFA is happening another year. It's the North American Film Association, which focuses on Marathi films but is open to other films as well. And we are very lucky to be joining a great team who is bringing a host of stars all the way from India to US. On 25th, 26th and 27th of July. It's a 2.5-day festival. The first day is a red carpet evening with the stars, and 26th and 27th of July are the full day festivals where you will witness the workshops, the one-on-one sessions, great movies and great stars.
On the 26th and 27th of July.
At the California Theater in San Jose.
अमेरिकेत आला मराठी फिल्म वाला हे आला अमेरिकेत आला मराठी फिल्म वाला पिकड पिकड नाफाचा आहे बोल.
For the film screening, interactive workshop and engaging panel discussions at NAFA on 26th and 27th July.
Let's enjoy NAFA!
Hello, we have Abhi Golab, the National Film Awardee and a great technopreneur, entrepreneur right here in Silicon Valley, who is so excited to bring NAFA 2025 another year. Welcome to Yo India TV. It's truly exciting and also inspiring to see you, to see your journey as an entrepreneur and as someone who has made it big in the film industry. Tell us a little more about NAFA 2025.
So NAFA 2025, aims at producing the films ourselves, and then we are also showcasing a lot of new unreleased films this year in the festival. Because our interest here is that how do we make sure that our audience get to see something for the first time? How do we let audience to enjoy the master classes from the experts who are the likes of Madhur Bhandarkar or the Amol Palekar, who themselves will be conducting those master classes.
सीधे रास्ते की ये तेरी चाल है गोलमाल है भाई सब गोलमाल है.
We also have some of the sessions which are pertaining to the workshops. So the dubbing workshop will be conducted and also will be offered to all the participants. And then we have lots of short films, panel discussions, creative sessions, and most importantly this time we are introducing something called as an awards night, which is going to be bringing the glamour and the red carpet moments to Marathi film industry, which is happening on 25th of July, where people will get an opportunity to walk the red carpet along with these big stars and also see the performances live in action and see who all are getting the awards from the film fraternity, which is coming only for this event right from India.
नाफा चित्रपट महोत्सवाच्या आयोजनासाठी सगळ्यांचं मनापासून अभिनंदन. या निमित्ताने तुमच्या शहरात येतोय, गप्पा मारायला जरूर या. माझ्या ऐवज या आत्मचरित्राचं 4थ्या आवृत्तीचं प्रकाशन तुमच्या सोबतीने करूया. भेटूया लवकरच.
Archana Saraf from NAFA is joining us. She'll also be one of the hosts of the events. Welcome to Yo India TV. And first of all, it's fantastic to see someone traveling from outside of Bay Area, someone who's so excited about movies and in particular the Marathi culture and Marathi movies. So that's a wow. Shout out to you first of all.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
So tell me a little more about the stars that NAFA is going to showcase in 2025 festival.
So we have some great names. Amol Palekar and then Madhur Bhandarkar, Avadhut Gupte, Mahesh Kothare, Adinath Kothare. There's Sonali Kulkarni, Dil Chahta Hai. You have seen. Sonali Kulkarni is coming. There's Vaidehi Parshurami. There's so many of them. Such amazing pool of talent, I must say.
So let me ask you, कि इतने stars, इतनी performances. I think Amol Palekar is one of the great names I've been hearing as well. You know, Golmaal है, Bicep Golmaal है.
कुर्ता इतना छोटा क्यों पहनते हो? सर, मेरे पिताजी कहा करते थे कि कुर्ता तो शरीर के उपरार्ध की लज्जा निवारण के लिए होता है। भारतवर्ष में 30 करोड़ मर्द हैं, उनमें से 10 करोड़ कुर्ता पहनते होंगे। अगर हर आदमी अपना कुर्ता 6 इंच भी छोटा कर ले तो उसमें से जितना कपड़ा बचेगा उससे कितने लोगों की वस्त्र समस्या हल हो सकती है?
जी हाँ, वो तो सब आप जानते ही हैं, बट इतने स्टार्स की जो अमेजिंग परफॉर्मेंसेज हैं, यू नो, समथिंग दैट मेड देम स्टार्स, उसमें से आपको कोई खूबसूरत परफॉर्मेंसेज अगर याद हो, कुछ मेमोरीज हो, तो आई थिंक दैट विल स्ट्राइक अ कॉर्ड विद आवर व्यूअर्स एज वेल, लाइक व्हाई दे शुड नॉट मिस NAFA 2025.
So Amol Palekar, as Jasleen ji said, he's a legend in himself. We all have seen his performances, but let me tell you, he's also a producer and a director. So पहेली मूवी अगर आपको पता हो, शाहरुख खान की जो थी, वो उनकी डायरेक्शन में और उनकी प्रोडक्शन हाउस ने बनाई थी.
जलना जिंदगी की लौ पे.
So there are some things that we don't know about these people that you get to kind of talk to them and ask them questions and things like that. So I think बाकी जो फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं ना, वहाँ पे इंटरेक्शन का मौका नहीं मिलता. यहाँ पे आप 1-on-1 उनसे बात कर पाते हो, उनको आपके मन में जो सवाल है वो पूछ सकते हो. So that's why I think NAFA is a little different here than any conventional film festival.
नाफा काय तिकीट्स काढलीत का नाही? 25, 26, 27 जुलैला यंदा नाफा मराठी फिल्म फेस्टिवलचं दुसरं वर्ष आहे. मला भेटायला येत आहे का नाही? हा, अच्छा ठीक आहे. स्वप्नील जोशींना भेटायला या, सचिन खेडेकरांना भेटायला या, सोनालीला. मी कोणाला भेटायला येणार आहे माहितीये का? अमोल पालेकरांना. गोलमाल है भाई, सब गोलमाल है. काय ना, भरपूर सारे टॅलेंटेड मराठी कलाकार, दिग्दर्शक, लेखक त्यांच्या फिल्म्स घेऊन तुम्हाला भेटायला येत आहेत. त्यांना भेटायला तुम्ही या, त्यांच्याशी गप्पा मारायला या, म्हटलंच तर एखादा सेल्फी काढायला या. तिकीट्स काढा 25, 26, 27 जुलै NAFA Marathi Film Festival 2. See ya!
Hello everyone, we have Riya Tosar, who is the co-founder of NAFA, and she's also leading the marketing and PR effort. Welcome to Yo India TV with me, Justine. It's absolutely a pleasure to be speaking with you about such a great event. So tell me a little more about how can the viewers book their tickets?
So viewers can actually visit to NAFA website. You can go to the book button there. You can click on it and then just book your ticket.
Any pitch from the marketing team?
This is the event which represents the culture, the rich content. So something not to be missed. And last year was amazing fun. So I would definitely say do come, be part of this amazing experience.
नफा 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 नफा. आला अमेरिकेत आला मराठी फिल्म वाला. आला अमेरिकेत आला मराठी फिल्म वाला. तिकड तिकड नाफाचा आहे बोलबाला. तिकड तिकड नाफाचा आहे बोलबाला.
So California Theatre is your go-to destination, and if you really want to watch the movies, then the Cine Lounge in Fremont is your go-to destination. And you know, people are so excited, you know, to be, you know, looking out for the films. So give us a little more about what kind of films will be showcased this time.
So we are having 4 movies or a full-length feature film that we'll be showcasing. One of the film is called Rav Sahib. Second is called Chabila. The third one is called Muktai. And then the fourth one is called Snowflower. Now, Snowflower is the film which recently got a lot of accolades at Cannes Film Festival. And now that NAFA Film Festival is also, creating those important memories for people to come and attend those festivals in California, I believe that, all these movies, along with some of the short films that we ourselves have produced, some of the short films that won the awards, they will be also showcased there. So I think it's a combination of 13 films and then few workshops and panel discussions, which should be a great offering to all our audiences.
एकावर चढ एक कलंडर सारेच होते इथले पण इथे कितीही पिकले तरीही अजून नव्हते विकले अरे अजून नव्हते विकले.
ये बच्ची इस राष्ट्र की संपत्ति है, ये यहीं की है और इसको यहीं रहना है.
त्याच्या बापाचं मला माझी नाथा मी त्याका घेतल्याशिवाय हडसून जाऊचंय नाही. हाय ती आमची पुढची पिढी आहे.
हैसून चालतो हो.
या चेडू आमका देऊन टाका.
4 महीने के टूरिस्ट वीजा पे भेज रहे हैं बच्ची को.
नकली कागदपत्र बनवची म्हणजे
काय कर पण माझा पोरग्या माझ्याकडे रवा खाय. अरे आपल्या गावाचा नशीब बदलला.
Namaskar, we have Lakshman Apte, who is representing the team of NAFA Film Festival 2025. Lakshman, what's your take on 2025 NAFA?
Oh, it's amazing, going to be amazing. 3 days of entertainment, self-learning. As we are, NAFA Film Festival is on 25th, 26th, 27th of July. And we have a lot of good celebrities coming from India. You already saw it on the website. We have master classes, meet and greet. There is a dubbing workshop this year. So it's a lot of entertainment. And we are featuring 4 feature films, 9 short films. So please come and join us for a great, great entertainment.
Hi, this is Sachin Khedekar and I'm excited to attend NAFA Film Festival 2025, taking regional cinema to global level. It's a great initiative and I'm excited and honored to be there. So get ready for interactive workshops, exclusive screenings, engaging panel discussions at NAFA on 26th and 27th of July at California Theatre, San Jose.
Yeah, workshops is a new concept, and then you are getting free tickets. Most of the shows are going to be locally at the Cine Launch in Fremont, and then there are shows outside also where NAFA is coordinating because a lot of people are traveling, which is amazing. And then there are short films, and then there are other kind of films, and there is non-Marathi content as well. So there is something that everyone can be very excited about. Archana, what's your pitch to everyone?
So what we are trying to do with NAFA is, trying to bridge the gap between the film industry back home and then the film industry that is budding here. So I would definitely want all of you to come and experience the magic of cinema that we are trying to create in the California theaters.
Look forward to meeting you. Book your tickets. There's a NAFA website. Go to it. Do make sure that you get some good seats and do enjoy the festival. So do come to NAFA, and thank you, Archana, for bringing this wonderful festival to Bay Area.
Thanks a lot, and it was so nice to meet you in person. Looking forward to seeing you at the festival.
नमस्कार, मी वैदेही परशुरामे. नॉर्थ अमेरिकन फिल्म असोसिएशन म्हणजेच नाफाचं हे सलग दुसरं वर्ष आहे मराठी फिल्म फेस्टिवल करण्याचं USA मध्ये. सॅन फ्रान्सिस्को मध्ये यावर्षी 26 आणि 27 जुलैला मी आणि अनेक मराठी दिग्गज कलाकार आम्ही तुमच्या भेटीला येणार आहोत याच मराठी फिल्म फेस्टिवलच्या 2nd एडिशन मध्ये. नाफा ही संस्था ज्यांनी संस्थापित केली ते अभि घोलप यांचे खरंच मनापासून कौतुक. ते स्वतः देऊळ या चित्रपटाचे, देऊळ या नॅशनल अवॉर्ड विनिंग चित्रपटाचे प्रोड्युसर आहेत आणि त्यांची इच्छा आहे की तिथला जो मराठी प्रेक्षक आहे USA मधला त्यांच्यापर्यंत मराठी सिनेमे पोहोचावेत. त्यांच्या स्वतःसाठी एक व्यवस्थापना तयार व्हावी जेणेकरून त्यांना सुद्धा मराठी सिनेमे बनवता येतील. त्यामुळे त्यांच्या या उपक्रमासाठी खरं तर खूप खूप आभार आणि मला या सगळ्यात सहभागी करून घेतलं म्हणून सुद्धा मनापासून आभार. मी प्रचंड एक्साइटेड आहे तुम्हा सगळ्यांना भेटायला, या फिल्म फेस्टिवल चं स्वरूप पाहायला, हे फिल्म फेस्टिवल अटेंड करायला. त्यामुळे 26 आणि 27 जुलैला सॅन फ्रान्सिस्कोमध्ये आपण कॅलिफोर्निया थिएटर इथे भेटणार आहोत. तुम्हाला आय एम शुअर हे सगळं माहितीच असेल. त्यांच्या वेबसाईटवरती सगळे डिटेल्स आहेत आणि तिकीट बुकिंगसाठी सुद्धा त्यांच्या वेबसाईटवरती पूर्ण गायडन्स आहे. त्यामुळे तुम्ही जर अजून तिकीट्स बुक केलेले नसतील तर त्यांच्या वेबसाईटवर जा आणि तिकीट्स लवकरात लवकर बुक करा, म्हणजे आपली लवकरात लवकर भेट होईल. थँक्यू.
Why don't you tell everybody in Marathi why they should come?
सो मराठी चित्रपटांसाठी आणि मराठी डिजिटल कॉन्टेंटसाठी जर आपल्याला काही गोष्टी करायच्या असल्या अमेरिकेत, तर नाफा हे प्लॅटफॉर्म म्हणून तुम्हाला ऑप्शन मिळतो. आणि या नाफाचा हा ग्रँड फेस्टिवल आपण सगळेजण सेलिब्रेट करतोय. त्यामुळे जर तुम्ही मराठी असाल, तुम्हाला मराठीबद्दल काही आत्मीयता असेल, तर नक्की या फेस्टिवलला याल. तुम्हाला 3 दिवसामध्ये धमाल करायला मिळणार आहे, याची मी तुम्हाला गॅरंटी देतो.
Wonderful. So look forward to meeting you at NAFA 2025 at California Theatres. Keep rocking and stay attached to Indian culture and our Marathi roots. This is Jasleen Khanuja from Yo India TV signing off from South Bay for now. Till next time, keep watching Yo India TV and see you at NAFA. Goodbye for now.